Hello, everyone, and this is my presentation on mobile learning tools and apps. The first thing we need to think of is categories. Typically, that when we're thinking about mobile tools and apps, there are three main categories I think that all mobile tools and apps are categorized in. First is tasks. In this category, there are certain tasks that we need to do, whether it is either us as, as educators or people or our students. They have tasks they have to complete, and then that these mobile tools and apps allow them to accomplish this on the go. Teaching. There are certain um, apps and tools for mobile learning that can replace things that we would normally do in the classroom. Third is together, and another way to think about this is not combined. There are tools that there are certain mobile education tools that are that do it all in one place, and I will explore that. First are the tasks. What are the tasks? There are many apps that do this. I'm not going to be completely exhaustive, but just so you can get an idea. Um, One is a Dropbox. Dropbox has become very popular, especially with their invite feature. I know myself, I have over 98 gigabytes of free storage because that I have invited people and I've gotten so much um, extra space because of it. Another one is Evernote. If I'm on the go and then that I see something and there's that, and then that I can copy and paste it in Evernote. I can tag it any way I want, um, and this is on the go. There's also a app called Documents on the Go. This is pretty much self-explanatory. That if you have a document, that you can use it on your tablet, on your phone, whatever it may be. There's a tool for teachers called Attendance, where because a lot of teachers that they use more of a tablet or Heather an iPad to do most of their work, and being able to do that is very helpful. Um, Another thing is a Google Apps. They have a huge suite of apps, and especially with their Chromebook and all that, that they are really able to have that all in one place. You can have collaborative documents. So many things that you can do with Google. The other is a teaching. There are there are mobile apps that one could do to replace certain teaching functions. A good example, of course, is TEDs. TEDs, you have these small lectures, and then that you can really supplement your learning through that. There's something called the elements, the visual exploration, where that you can actually, and it's mainly for science, and it's to really dive more deep and to get a better understanding of the the elements in the periodic timetable. Another going along with science is Science 360, which um, there's a lot of features in that as well. Together or combined. Um, uh, uh, LMSs now they need to have a mobile app so people can do their school on the go. Canvas has fantastic app, and then that's the only one that I've used. We have talked in the classroom about the Rise app. It's not because it's really missing some features. and then that you have a Mondo and a Blackboard, a Mobile Learn, and Moodle has theirs. But these are all things that these are the three different that these are working together. You have this all-in-one inclusive place where there's teaching and tasks. So in summary, um, mobile mobile education tools and apps are categorized in three different um, categories: task, teaching, and together. Thank you for listening to my presentation.